Inside Simone Biles' $6 million mansion. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be breathtaking as we are going to discuss all of Simone Biles' $6 million mansion. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into it. Simone Biles is one of the youngest and richest gymnasts in the entire world. When not working out, she has a comfortable $1 million mansion as her home. Even though she is worth $6 million, Biles admits that she does not really like spending her money, though she definitely went all out on one thing: her opulent Hughes tin home, the costumed in-ground pool, and Tuscan-style courtyard. The interior of the house is decked out with chandeliers and a stone fireplace, and she has a very interesting backyard table where she enjoys dinner with her friends. Let's head inside her Texas mansion and know what Olympic excellency has awarded to the superstar athlete. Simone Biles called Texas home before she bought her own house there. When it was time to gather all of her hard-earned money and set up her own, she preferred a place close to her gym and family, which was worth $1 million. While the house exterior is pretty modern, there are some old-school arched entryways inside leading you to the home's different rooms. In her modern kitchens, Simone chose the white cabinets to complement the cream-colored walls and decorated them with chic chandeliers, which gives it an exotic look. The same chandeliers are featured in her dining room. Simone's living room consists of a stone fireplace and plush gray couches that are very comfortable. You can also see a big art piece honoring her last name. There's not much known about her master bedroom, but we did have a peek in her walk-in closet. Her bathroom is also opulent with a large-sized solid surface tub that she has shown up on social media along with her spacious shower. One of her other bathrooms is crisp white and features two giant mirrors on the opposite walls. The home's interior is very luxurious. The backyard is a highlight as it makes the mansion lavish. You can access big sliding glass doors from the backyard. There's a charming brick facade outside that welcomes you to the Tuscan-style courtyard with plenty of lounging spots for her two French bulldogs, Lalo and Rambo. It also features a massive in-ground pool. It is estimated to cost about $50,000. It is sculptured by natural ceramic pool tiles and raised hot tub. This pool is surrounded by a large pool area with seats. The back lining of the pool is continued by natural garden. As Simone loves outdoor activities, her outdoor table is unique. It is an adult swing set. The large table comes with 8 swings as chairs. It costs at least $6,450. It is right next to the barbecue. There is also a room in front of the house to park her car. The model of her car is Range Rover Evoque, which she nicknamed Tiff, which likely cost her around $40,000. Where did Simone live before splurging on a new mansion? She lived in the Spring of Texas with her adoptive parents and siblings. Her home was nice and spacious, but it was not as good as her present home. That home was officially sold in 2017 for $285,000. The home is over 3,700 square foot, with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It features welted ceilings, a gas fire, and a covered patio with a grill in the backyard. That home is not as modern as her new home. There's a cookout area in the backyard. Simone admits that she is afraid to go broke, so she does not really walk around swiping her credit card unless she has earned it. But how did she manage to earn so much money at such a young age? Olympic wins only amount to a certain payout for the athlete. Instead, it is fame that they can capitalize on. Back in the Rio Olympics, each medal was guaranteed a $37,000 cash prize. The silver medal was $22,500, and finally the bronze medal earned a $15,000 prize. She walked away from the Olympics with 4 gold medals, a silver medal, and a bronze, so she made $187,000 from one Olympic game. But it was Biles' excellence that set her on the path of success. She made history by winning those medals. She also competed in 5 world championships, winning 19 gold medals, 3 silver medals, and 2 bronze medals. All this gave her a massive fan following on her social media. She's done various sponsored posts for various brands such as an athlete, Nike, Oreo, etc. Speaking of, at the time making this video, she had almost 7 million followers. That amount earned her almost $100,000 to $200,000 per sponsored post. It is more than enough to keep the gymnast fit for a very long time. She's in the news pretty often and has done magazine covers, been on talk shows, and even had the documentary series. And her network will grow exponentially with the next few years. She has an incredible future ahead of her even without her Olympic career. We just can't wait to see what her next big purchase will be. Perhaps a California mansion maybe? This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on any of our videos. Also, watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.